Hello everyone, my name is Vinjanjo. Welcome to my YouTube. Subscribe, comment, share, leave a comment. Let's interact, guys. Ukigrow nimegrow. Okay, today I'm having a nature walk. As you can see behind me, there are some greener pastures. Some opt kuja kurisha huku. Okay, kuna green pastures around. Kuna magugu huko, alafu there behind kuna a big church under construction. I don't know whether you can see it. It's there actually. It's there, metallic one there, like, okay, like shape like a pyramid. I don't know, and such. And believe me not, I don't know the church by the way, but they are it's under construction, so tuna wish the best, and maybe they'll have many followers. Okay, kuna ingine hapa, kuna kahawa. It's a harvesting day, so you can hear some farmers huko ndani wakiharvest kahawa. So I don't wanna take them, but you know it isn't my shamba, so acha tuache tu. But as you can see, some of you don't know coffee how is grown. Some of you are like, see, wamelelewa wapi? This is coffee. This is now coffee. This is a coffee bean. Yeah, coffee seed, I mean coffee. So hii kitu inachukuliwa inapelekwa kwa factory, alafu inasiagwa inakutolea coffee. So guys, whatever I'm doing now, it's just a start. Okay, I've been doing some things there, here and there. So if you can join my YouTube, you can search Escape Vinjanjo and see of my clips. And so nimekuwa nikishoot to video hapa na pale, encourage watu zingine for fun. So guys, it's a better day. So as you can see, okay, this one have grown well and it has seeds. Yeah, as you can see, it's all red. It's ready now to be harvested. Yeah, sure you can see. Yeah, it's cool. Actually, it's always green like that. Yeah, sasa nilikuwa naelezea. Okay, I'm in a path, that's why you can hear around people passing around, because I'm on the way, and others are those harvesting are inside the farm harvesting. Yeah, I'm doing my nature walk and adventure. Next time I'll show you some rivers, big rivers. Actually kuna river kubwa hapa. Kuna River Dhiba and river River Dhiba and the river okay, and the dam, okay, Dhiba Dam. Yeah, it's just around, just few kilometers from where am I, but never mind, nitawapeleka na rada. So mambo iko hivyo, everywhere you look is green. Huku ni green, alafu mvua imekuwa ikinyesha, so things have been good and cool. Yeah, majenzi huko wamejitayarisha vizuri na ulimaji wa mashamba na nini, vibarua kujituma hapa na pale. So I guess everything is cool. And then you can see some residents there. And then if you look keenly, hapo kuna shule. I don't know the name, but it's a good school. Yeah, it's where our kids go to get education. So whatever I'm saying today, it's a more of adventure, and seeing what nature has to give us, because some of you don't appreciate the nature, but today I have the courage to address you and show you some nature, so show you some environment cues, tricks that you have never seen. So for today, I guess that is enough. Let's meet next time. For now, let me leave you, because I'm heading somewhere, and I don't wanna be late. So see you next time, guys. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and share my live, or and share this video. Some of you might be willing to know, okay, the adventure and where we live, what do we have and what do we have to offer. So here we can offer coffee. So guys, let's meet next time. I love you so much. Adios.